Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change transparency of our assistant menu in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Where to find our assistant menu button? We have to go to settings first, then we are looking for accessibility options here, and interaction and dexterity we have assistant menu. We have to allow it. It's this little button. What does it do? As you can see here, show a menu of easy to reach buttons to let you replace physical buttons, gestures and other common interactions. As you can see, we have a few of them by default, but we want to change how our button looks like. So we need to enter this little menu. We can of course change size, but we are interested in transparency. Let's make it more transparent. As you can see, it's barely visible, or we can just make it a solid button. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.